Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a military grade rugged smartwatch from KOSPET. This is the KOSPET Tank M1 rugged smartwatch specifically made out for extreme conditions. With this video, we will go through with the overall design and the specifications of this smartwatch. I have been testing out this KOSPET Tank M1 for the last few weeks to see if it is truly is good value for money. I must say this is absolutely beast, and it has survived all those real life anti-impact and waterproof tests. If you fancy getting one, check the link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get unbox these and see what you get inside. Inside the box, you will get a Tank M1 smartwatch with two different color straps, followed by a magnetic charging cable, screen protector, and the last printed user guide. Moving on to the design and the look, this watch is designed for use in extreme outdoor conditions thanks to the rugged finish. It has a heavy-duty watch case made out of metal and plastic materials, and the bezel uses metal spray technology for solid texture. It weighs about 65 grams. On the right side of the watch, you will find two push buttons that will help you to navigate between functions. You get a removable watch strap with the smartwatch, and they are made out of silicone materials. And the strap is about 25 mm. Furthermore, when it comes to the strap length, it is about 90 mm to 125 mm. So it will perfectly fit any wrist size without any issues, and it is very soft, snug, sweat absorbing and breathable for comfortable use. This watch is available in two different colors. You can get either green or black with two straps inside the box. Back of the watch, you can see the optical heart rate sensor and the magnetic charging connector. Having said that, this watch comes with 380 mAh lithium polymer battery, which will last about 14 days of average use with a single charge. But more importantly, it has a standby time above 50 days. In terms of the screen, this watch comes with 1.72 inches TFT capacity touchscreen with a resolution of 280 by 320 pixels. Having said that, the touch response is decent and smooth when scrolling or swiping between functions. Display brightness and the screen timeout can be adjustable and can see clearly when used in outdoors. Also, thanks to the 1.72 inches display, you can easily read the content on the screen. Also, you can enable it up to show the watch face when raising up the wrist. The button on the top right works as a power on off, and the bottom one helps you to access the main menu, or long press allow you to enter to the sports mode. This is 5 ATM and IP69K rated smartwatch, which means this watch can survive in extreme outdoor conditions, in hot or cold weather, and against water and dust. Furthermore, the watch can withstand repeated rolling by cars over 2 tons. As you can see, we have already done some extreme durability tests running over by a car as well as leaving it underwater. To connect with the smartphone, all you need to do is simply download the Dustproof Smart app, which is available in both Android and Apple app stores. Once you install the app, simply follow the on-screen instruction for the pairing process. This watch comes with Bluetooth 5.0 for lossless connectivity, so you can easily connect the watch to the smartphone via Bluetooth. Then you can create a profile and log into the app to connect with the smartwatch. In terms of the screen navigation, swiping top to bottom will bring you quick settings menu. You will find options like brightness controller, countdown timer, remote camera shutter, weather, battery saver, do not disturb, remaining battery life of the watch. Then swipe bottom to up will bring you all the notifications, including all your text messages, emails and missed calls. Swipe left to right will display the sub-menu to access weather, sleep, camera shutter, heart rate and blood oxygen. Finally, right to the left allows you to track your activities, track your steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, check your weather, access the remote camera shutter and music controller. Having said about the music controller, you can control your music on your smartphone directly using the watch face. Furthermore, about the remote camera shutter, you can capture your favorite moment simply by touching the watch face. To change the watch face, simply touch and hold the screen for about 2 seconds and then slide to the left to switch the watch face you want. You get about dozen preloaded watch faces with this smartwatch. Also, you can download additional watch faces from the app. You can find simple design, analog or digital design through the download section. Furthermore, you can be assigned your own picture with a custom color text as a watch face using this Dustproof smart app. Simply choose the background you want with the font color, then select the position you want to be displayed. With this smart app, you can customize or enable the functions of the smartwatch, like these push notifications. You can choose which app you want to send the notification through the app. In terms of receiving phone calls, you won't be able to answer through the smartwatch. Instead, you can mute the call or decline via watch face. Moving on to receiving messages, you can see and read few lines. So thanks to these push notifications, you won't miss any important calls or messages even if you do not have your phone in your hand. Moving on to the sports activity feature, this watch comes with 24 different sports activities including running, walking, hiking, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, etc. When you choose your preferred activity, watch will start to track your calories, heart rate and time duration according to your workout. Then all the data will be saved in the application. Moving on to the next option, watch can track your sleep like all other smartwatches and you can track your sleep quality via the app. Also, this watch has the usual heart rate monitor, blood pressure and blood oxygen monitor and step counter sensor built in. All those data will be saved within the Dustproof smart app and you can refer back to them daily. Apart from the above features mentioned earlier, this smartwatch comes with a stopwatch, countdown timer, an alarm, breathing exercise and weather option. And more importantly, it supports 15 different languages. So this is pretty much all about this KOSPET Tank M1 smartwatch. My final thoughts about this smartwatch are appreciate having the ultra durable and tough design with extra long battery life. Also, I like the sleek design of it and end of the day, it is very comfortable to use all day long. This is the toughest smartwatch we have reviewed in our channel so far. Personally, I would say if you are someone who looking for minimal design but has that extra battery life with the durable use in any condition, this KOSPET Tank M1 is good choice to try. With that all being said, please let me know what do you think about this smartwatch in the comment section down below. Once again, if you like the content, please hit the like and do subscribe to see more reviews like this. Thanks for watching and see you again with another one.